This large truck may not look like much at first glance, but it's actually a highly specialized piece of equipment designed to drill deep into the earth in search of underlying resources like water. Let's take a closer look. The huge yellow machine on the back of the truck is the air compressor. It is powered by a diesel engine and responsible for powering the drilling process by providing compressed air to the drill. On top of that, you notice the mast. The mast is the heart of the drilling operation. It houses several key components that makes the drilling process possible. Now, let's take a look at the truck itself. It's a Ashok Leyland 2531 and is an essential part of the operation. It allows the drilling rig to be mobile and move to different locations. The truck also carries a power source for the rig, such as a diesel engine, which provides the necessary power to operate the drilling equipment. The drilling process started very early today as the team set up the equipment very fast. The first step in this process is to use a spud or a starter bit. It's a cone-shaped bit used to create a pilot hole for the main drilling operation. It is designed to break the soil about 10 feet and remove loose and hard topsoil to make way for the next bit. Next, the hammer bit is installed. This bit is specifically designed for drilling through rock formations and harder soil material. This steel casing is installed before drilling starts in order to provide a barrier casing between the mud, the surface, as well as prevent the borehole from collapsing on itself. Let's talk a lot more on the hammer bit. The hammer bit is more efficient and faster than regular bits as it uses a hammering action to break the rock apart. With a powerful hammer bit, the drilling team is now able to reach deeper and harder surfaces in their quest for water. As the hammer bit pounds away at the earth, it's important to note that this type of drilling creates a lot of dust, so get some protection. With the drilling ongoing, these metal pipes are installed to the drill and used to dig deeper with it. The length of the individual steel pipes are 5 meters, which means if all 20 pipes are used, we attain a total length of 100 meters or 328 feet, which is optimal for getting water. Collecting soil samples during borehole drilling is an important step in the process. The samples provide valuable information about the geologic conditions of the area and assessing water-bearing soil formations. The drilling process continued, and after another 40 minutes, the team finally strikes water. After a successful yield test, it's finally time to move on to the next stage, the installation of PVC pipes into the borewell. These pipes will help to protect the borehole and ensure the water can be safely pumped to the surface for use. The team starts by slathering grease all over the threads to connect the pipes for an easier installation. The pipes used today are UPVC 140 by 7mm pipes. Along with the pipes, small riverbed rocks are also being added to the side of the pipes.